Here we go. Diagnose me. What's the sound? Knocking like a son of a gun. I don't know. Maybe it's in the blower.